Hi, I'm Kevin Flint from Oasis Engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to rekit an electrical isolation coupler. To rekit the electrical isolation coupler, the first thing I recommend is that you go to our website and download the instructions. This will tell you everything you need to know and also tell you the tools and equipment that you need. So you go to www.oasisngv.com. There you'll find in all our instructions we recommend with the O-rings that you use silicone grease. We use Robco sapphire silicone grease, but any grease suitable for the O-rings will do. We also recommend on all the threads that you use anti-seize. In this case we use Omega 99 seize stop grease, but any thread stop grease will do also. So with your electrical isolation coupler, we have one here that has been removed, and the first thing you do is put the part into a vise and then using a suitable spanner remove the outside body as such. In the outside body you will see there are two plastic parts. One simply pops out as such, and the second one you'll need to get your finger under and give it a tug and eventually it'll pull out. If you struggle with that part, use a screwdriver, get behind and give it a push. The plastic parts are the parts that stop the electrical conductivity from going through, so they're removed and that's now a metal piece. You then have the central part, and this will pop off, and what we have here is another plastic part which has two O-rings on it. Again, what these do is these isolate these two parts so that the electricity doesn't conduct from one part to another. So you remove those and we now have three metal parts, three plastic parts and two O-rings. You take your kit, which has the three plastic parts and the two O-rings. You take your O-rings, grease them as I mentioned earlier, place them over the middle ring. The middle ring then goes into there as such, and that part will sit into there like that. The last thing you need to do is to put these two parts into the nut, and we take a washer. We ensure that the beveled edge is on the inside, and that matches up with the beveled edge on this part which sits against it. So when they're in place, they sit like that. So ensure you get the beveled edge the right way. You'll have to push that into place. It will bend and eventually click into place. Then you take this part, pop it through the middle. It will pop all the way through, so it comes out the bottom like that. And basically what we have there is plastic parts here which stop the electricity passing from this part onto these. So then we screw the thing together. This is still in the vise, tighten it up, making sure it's very tight, and that is how you rekit an electrical isolation